everyone, I am going to show you top plugins for your WordPress website. So if you don't know which plugin you need to start your WordPress website, you can see this video, subscribe my channel and like this video. If you don't know how to install and activate and make a first page of your website, you can see my previous videos and I will show you other steps on my next videos. So continue this with top plugins. So first plugin is the rank math SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. So Google don't know for your website that how to search your website on internet. So you will install this plugin by going on your admin page of your WordPress and you will click on plugin and add new plugin where you will search for the rank math SEO. After that it will get installed by clicking on install button and you can activate it. What it will do, it will take some traffic on your website. So moving on, next, duplicate page. So if you have a contact us page or about us page and you want a duplication for this page, you have to install this plugin. You will not need to again do all the settings. Only just by clicking once you can have your second page with a different name. So post types order, this is a plugin which will set an order for your blog posts and blog posts and objects and products. Like you have some products on your list and you want to change their orders, you can just drag your products and change their position. Moving on, next, it is manage WP worker. So it will work as a dashboard for your WordPress websites. So if you have number of clients and with them you have numbers of websites, you need a dashboard to take them on single page and manage them. You need to install this and work forward. So move on, ANTISPAM. If you're facing spam on your WordPress website, you can install this plugin and it will work fine for your websites. So moving in, next, it is iThemes security. To have a good security for your website, you need this plugin. So for Elementor custom skin, so if you want a custom skin for your custom post, you can have this plugin. Moving next, it is custom post UI. If you want a user interface for your custom post, you will have this custom post UI plugin. Google Analytics dashboard for WP. If you want to see analytics on your WordPress website, like how many views you get on a single day, you can install this plugin. So there is a RESMUSH.IT image optimizer. It has a difficult name, but it will work fine for you. It will just optimize your your images, like you optimize your content on a website. So you just need to upload images which are lesser in pixel with they should have up to 2000 pixel in width or 3000 in width. It is enough for them. So I will show you in next video that how to install a plugin and where to search a plugin, and I will explore on Elementor on my next videos. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and like my video if you really so. Thank you. Goodbye.